Hi, my name is Ryan Shellhammer, and this is a quick introduction about myself. Well, first of all, I graduated from WSU in May of 2016 with my Bachelor's of Science in Biology, so that's where my interests lie, more specifically sciences. I love nature and I love plants. I'm currently working for WSU doing some research revolving around plant interactions. I also love Guardians of the Galaxy and Texas Rangers baseball. So, specifically my long-term and short-term goals. Firstly, my short-term goals is to create a strong curriculum at Heights, focusing on biology. I taught biology last year, and now this second year, I'm going to be teaching biology and zoology. So, creating a strong curriculum around both of those is one of my short-term goals. My long-term goal, however, is to really build the biological sciences at Heights. I would love to eventually add more classes, specifically maybe a botany or an ecology class. Those are my passions, and getting to do something like that, I feel, would really engage students, getting to see things real world, how they apply to them. So building a big biology program at Heights would be a huge goal of mine. And lastly, how I expect this class to help me is to give me the tools so I can build that curriculum better, create better engagement strategies for my students, so I can specifically build that big program. So that's me, and those are my goals.